Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the console and disconnecting the dual sense. This prevents short circuits. Once done, flip the controller and remove the 4 visible screws. Keep them separated. Use a thin pry tool to carefully separate the rear shell from the front because the clips are fragile and can snap if forced. Make sure to work on a soft, static-free surface. This protects small parts and the ribbon cables. You now have access to the internal LED assembly and can move to component removal. You'll now handle the LED board. First, note the ribbon cable orientation and take a photo. That helps when reassembling. Carefully disconnect the ribbon, then desolder or unclip the LED module. Work quickly to avoid heat damage to nearby plastic. Replace with a compatible LED rated for the same voltage and polarity. Using a mismatched LED risks overcurrent. Once installed, reconnect the ribbon and temporarily assemble enough to test the light. If it illuminates correctly, you're ready to finalize the ribbon. You finish by reseating the front and rear shells, making sure all clips and cables lie flat, then reinstall the 4 screws in their original holes. Once assembled, power up and test the light through normal pairing or charging. This verifies both hardware and firmware behavior. If the light doesn't work, reopen and inspect the ribbon orientation, solder joints, and LED polarity. These are the most common faults. Finally, avoid over-tightening screws and run a short test cycle to confirm stable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.